we are looking at Target for some Monster Jam, Monster Truck, and Hot Wheels Monster Truck toys. So we're gonna see you in the store. We're gonna cut through here so we can go. Oh, I still have the penny. Don't see it yet, guys. Legos. Beyblades. Here we are. We got this $20. Got grave diggers. Got grave digger, some grave digger of a legend, and another grave digger. They got El Toro Loco and Slinger. We don't have these. We're usually looking for Fire and Ice. Big Kahuna and Crush Station. Got Sound Digger and Grave Digger Legend. We got Monster Bert.
This is a different one.
Don't have that much.
Scooby-Doo with the mystery machine.
Got the new Grave Digger play set. Let's go for the single pack. Grave Digger, Captain's Curse. $8.99. Yeah, so I don't have that. Oh, they have Sasquatch and Norbin Nightmare. We have some. We got Aftershock and Maxi. Oh, here's the big trucks. Got 124. Bone Shaker. We got a different Bone Shaker. Oh, there's more over here. Let's see. 124. Over Nightmare. Got Alien Invasion. We have this one. We have this one. We don't have this one. Got a couple taken. Let's go back. We can get these. Oh, this will be a good air dry clay thing to buy. That's good for air dry clay. This looks pretty cool. We haven't seen El Toro Loco or Slinger, so that's new. Got some Mario Kart. Let's see Hot Wheels Monster Truck style. With the big one. Let's look. Oh, we got some nice Hot Wheels. $3.99.
Those are Hot Wheels, they're not Monster Jam.
We got Rodder. We got that one. Oh, we got dinosaurs. These are $9. got, guys, here's some Monster Dirt. I have this on my list, and I have this on my list for Christmas. Got Northern Nightmare. We got Big Kahuna Crustacean. What was that?
Watch out, Ian. There's somebody behind you.
Scooby-Doo has a tail. And I think this is a Scooby-Doo monster truck, so. Got Hot Wheels. Oh man, this place is crowded. So many people coming. We have Hot Wheels. We don't have Spin Master nor the Nightmare. We got more on the back. We got some Hot Wheels monster trucks. Got Hot Wheels monster trucks. Back. More Hot Wheels monster trucks. Monster Jam. Got Big Kahuna back there and old Daffy Digger back there. How packed. So far we got one item. Let's go back around. See more. Is there any hiding? That's why I do this. I'm getting this on my Christmas list. That's for one thing. This is also on my Christmas list. For $100 here and $89 at Amazon. Monster truck. Got Big Foot. Just wanted to check out the trucks. Bone shaker.
Those are all bone shakers. They're all bone shakers.
They're heavy. Try me. Don't try things up front, guys. Try to go somewhere else. We only have one set so far. We only have one set. El Toro Loco and Stinger. Let's go back to. They have Beyblades over there. Monster Jam. So I thought this was pretty cool. This is Sasquatch and Northern Nightmare. Got these two. Also like KNHWPO. By the way, this is going on my Christmas list. Got Maxie, got Grave Digger and Grave Digger Legend. I'm not getting that because he Grave Digger Legend right here in 1984. This is actually pretty nice. Gonna get this. Okay. What other things? Oh, they used to have a gold monster truck. There's pets. They got squash. Here, now we're, V8 Bomber. V8 Bomber, guys. Looking all over for this. V8 Bomber. Guys, one more. I repeat, we have one more. This looks cool. With the big kahuna. Let's go back to the other side. This is the last thing. Does Alien Invasion have a see-through? Hold up. Mom, stay here. Crustacean has that white band around it. I have no crustacean and I have Big Kahuna. Big Kahuna isn't like this. And look at the Tonka trucks. I think they're Tonka. Oh, look. I don't have these two. Because this one is see-through. Look. Back to this. Time to make my decision here. Winch? Oh, is that a silver grave digger I see? That I have? Okay, I made my decision for the last truck. Wait. Do we have Northern Nightmare? Yeah, we do. It's Northern Nightmare, it's Alien Invasion. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.